After the loss of 6, another pass play that's intercepted. Taking it back is Keontae Scott. He'll go all the way. Touchdown, Miami. A 70-yard pick six. That's where they look. Taking a shot. Caught by Lamb. Another magical. Under pressure, off his back foot, up for grabs, and
Stephen Morris to make good decisions.
Play action. Morris has 3 men going deep. He's chased, eludes a man. Has a man short, wants to go deep, wide open. Unbelievable!
Take it short. Lateral. They practiced that on Wednesday. Time's going to expire on the game, so this either goes or it doesn't. Ball still alive. It's got to be a backwards lateral. Get behind it. Still alive.
Duke doing a nice job staying spacing all over. Oh, he got a block.
Blockers. They got blockers. They've got a lane. 40-yard line. No black shirts between the goal line. Can you believe what you just saw?